Oh my god, there's no way back now. What's up guys, my name is Mo, welcome to my channel. For a year and a half I've been thinking about this, dyeing my hair white. And we've been in quarantine for about 4 weeks now, and I thought if something goes wrong now, this would be the perfect moment. But there's no barbers open right now. Then I thought of this crazy idea. I have a friend who lives in Los Angeles and is a hairdresser. So I said to Christina, hey Christina, how about you help me with my hair on Facetime?
Ah, yeah.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Christina, the hairdresser, the person that actually knows what we're doing today.
Yeah, and you don't recommend me doing this, right?
Not at all.
Let's do it. I might want to like cut a little bit off right now because otherwise we got more hair to work with. Oh my god, I can't believe we're doing this.
I never thought I'd see that day.
Okay. Alright, what's the first thing we're gonna do?
Okay, so the mixing ratio of the bleach that you have is 1 part powder.
Okay,
And
so this is
the over.
1 part. Is there like gonna be a scoop in here? Should I open it?
Yeah. Yeah, I would start with 1 scoop.
So throughout the process, we might have to that's good. We might have to remix because you want to keep the bleach fresh.
Okay, 1 scoop is in there now.
Oh yeah, okay, that's good.
Okay.
So now you're gonna add like 2 ounces of the developer, of the 6, not the 2.
So I'm gonna use developer 6%, right? And what am I gonna do, you said?
2 ounces, so...
2 ounces, what's that? Is that a scoop?
Well, you can, it really doesn't matter.
Like, you make it kind of like the consistency that you want. I think you should go for like kind of like a cake batter.
Here we go.
Okay, stop. Probably want to add some more developer.
It sounds like you're slapping an ass over there.
Now you're gonna put your gloves on. So you're gonna start at your part and you're gonna paint on with the brush.
Okay, here goes. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Here we go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's on there. There's no way back now.
So now we're gonna work more quickly and we're gonna take a thin section like I taught you earlier. This thin.
Oh god, you know it really sucks that you're pixelated?
That's good. Don't get the roots. Don't get close to the roots, Mom.
But this looks a little thick. The little batter that I made looks thick.
You wanna add more developer? You can do that to make it a little more watery. It's hard to see on the camera if it's saturate. Make sure you're saturating. Don't be afraid to use a lot. Use a lot. Get a good amount going. That's good. Yeah. Don't be like, you know,
Don't be-
skimpy with it. That's perfect. Good. Okay. Great. Cool. Yep.
All right.
So now we're gonna put a plastic bag over your head.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
Now I'm gonna tell you to go get your blow dryer. I took a picture of my own hair because I have an idea for a hairstyle. Wouldn't it look cool if I gelled this piece of hair down and made like a squiggly?
This is Christina talking about her own hair now.
So now you're gonna put the blow dryer on low.
Cold, warm, low as in like.
Like not so much air.
Or heat. Okay, not so much air.
That's low.
Yeah. This is low. And that's. Yeah, welcome to Europe.
Then we wait 7 minutes.
Okay, so 7 minutes passed by now.
Yeah, I want to see what's happening inside. Now see how the ends are a little more orangey still? That needs more time. Do another 7 minutes. Put the bag back on. Go Mo. Go Mo. You're blonde. See how much lighter it looks now?
Okay, so now we're gonna do the back and the sides and then the roots, right?
It's 2 a.m. here.
Oh, right.
Okay, yeah, so split that hair open in the back. Make sure you saturate the root.
Okay, so I just done the roots and we're gonna put a bag on there now, right?
Yep. So 7 minutes now. Wait.
7 minutes of waiting. All right.
Now split that sucker open for me. And then, yeah, you need more time on the root.
Because it's like a little darker still than the rest?
Yeah.
Another 7 minutes. Here we go. Okay, so Christina, what's the advice you're giving me right now?
To wash your hair off in the shower.
Why?
Because I feel like if you use the sink, you're going to get bleach in your eye and you're going to start crying.
Guess I'm gonna take a shower. I am looking a little orangey. Let me turn down the light a little bit so everyone can see. So we're gonna have to do, bleach my hair again. Okay. Okay, this is the second time bleaching. My hair is ready to go. What time is it in Los Angeles right now?
It's approaching 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Christina's in bed, but she's been here the whole time. So almost 4 for me, 7 for you, and she's been a trooper. Right, I'm gonna take another shower, and then we'll see what the color is like and see what we'll do next. All right, Christina, I just came out of the shower.
Okay, show us your noodle.
All right, so this is what my hair looks like right now. Can you tell the people what's going on over here with this noodle thing?
Well, the noodle is probably just a little bit of damaged hair from bleaching twice in one day. But we're gonna cut that off, hopefully. But right now we're gonna start the toning process. Squeeze half the tube into the bowl. Now you're gonna add 1 ounce of 2%.
How do I know what is 1 ounce?
So just eyeball it and put as much developer as there is toner in the bowl. Just eyeball it, the same amount.
Oh my God, okay.
Okay, stop. Yeah, but quicker, much quicker.
Holy crap, okay.
Is your side turning lavender already?
Kinda, I guess, I don't know.
Yeah, you need to move much quicker.
Oh my God.
Like, I would say just dump that fucking bowl in your head and smush it all together.
Really?
Yeah, I think you need to do that.
Oh God. Fuck me. Where are you?
I'm here. Okay, wait. Look, watch what I'm doing. Take some of the toner in your hand and put it on like conditioner, like this. Yeah. Good. Good. Just keep doing that. Now get more product.
Oh my God. This is burning and I'm supposed to leave this in for 30 minutes?
I don't know yet. Comb it through. Now, did you saturate like the middle and stuff, the back on your crown?
I'm feeling this is gonna look great.
I know it's gonna look great.
Alright. Do I put a bag over my head or what?
Nope.
Or leave it like this?
It's gonna be like another couple minutes and we're probably gonna wash it.
Okay, so I just came out of the shower. Now my hair is looking a little bit more. Alright, so my hair is dry now. I am very happy with the way this color turned out. It is amazing. I absolutely love the color. So Christina said the noodle looking hairs are gonna like grow back to normal in about 5 days or so. As long as I just treat them good, I'm probably gonna buy a hair mask and put that in. So anyways, to finish my look off, I actually wanna like shorten the beard a little bit. It's been 3 days now since I've dyed my hair. The first couple of days my hair was so dry, real dry. So far I've been putting in some coconut oil. I got myself a hair mask. I've already ordered some special shampoo and I've already ordered some conditioner. So you have to treat it real good. You have to take care of it, and yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. But I had fun doing this. It was something new, something I hadn't done before. So if you always want to keep up to date with what I'm doing, best place to find me at is on Instagram. I'm not a frequent uploader, but I will try my best to make more content for you guys. And thank you again for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace!